friends, this is Sejal and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. If you are new here, I would love to have you in my family. Please subscribe to my channel and stay connected. As promised in my previous video, I am here again with the Halloween shopping haul video. This time it's from Dollar Tree. In case if you have missed the previous video, I have dropped its link in the description box. So please watch that also. The thing I love most about Dollar Tree is everything I get it in $1 and I can fill my cart in just $20 to $25. So let's start. Let's begin with these hanging ghost decorations. I got 2 of skull ghost and got 3 witches and 2 jack-o'-lanterns. They all are 2.5 feet tall and their hands positions are adjustable. Show me your beautiful face. Why are you feeling shy? Show me, show me, show me. I got these 3 witches. So here is the thing. I got a Dollar Tree stuffs to supplement and enhance my main decor pieces and to create the spooky ambience. See its face, it's so funny. It's like mommy doesn't want to go to school. And got these 2 jack-o'-lanterns as well. Next is the beds. I found these 3 giant beds and thinking to stick them on walls or will hang them on the sides in the entrance. This is a wall decoration. It's a picture of 42 by 72 inches of human and owl skeletons. Thinking to use it in background wall to add some extra drama. Then this orange bucket with smiling ghost. And this cute smiling ghost singing trick or treat. Still wondering why I got these 2 items. Maybe smile of this cute little ghost got me. Next is this 2 skull solar lights and this skeleton arm. It glows in the dark and comes with stake to put it in the ground. I got 6 of them. And I got this 8 pieces of small skulls. And 12 pieces of eyeballs. Next in the list are these 2 tombstones. First I was not buying it as I thought this is a styrofoam and it will be hard to stick them in the ground and also would not stick well to the wall with the double-sided tape. But then notice that it includes 2 stakes for securing them in the ground, so grab 2 of them. And last but not the least is these 2 yardsticks. One is saying danger, keep out, and the second is beware, go back. Total cost of all this decoration is $25. So that is it for today and looking forward to see you all in my next video. It would be also the Halloween shopping haul. Most probably the last one, but you never know. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and have a wonderful day. Happy Halloween. Take care. Bye bye.